This was my first time ever trying out clip-on headphones, so I wasn't sure exactly what to expect, but I'm really glad that I was gifted these by King Lucky. I'm going to walk you through how to use them, how I felt about them, and why they might be the great fit for you. For starters, here's what they look like in the case. I'm going to put it here so you can see it relative to the palm of my hand. On the back here, there is a USB-C charging port for you to use. Whenever I tried them for the first time, they were already charged, so I didn't have to fully charge them. But even after I fully charged them, they have lasted so long. I've listened to audiobooks, to music for hours and haven't had any issues. So they do have a great battery life. Once you open up the case, this is what the headphones are going to look like. So a little bit similar to a typical wireless headphone. So they actually are going to charge inside of the case. And once you take them out and place them on your ear, they do automatically connect. And they will typically tell you whenever they are connected. So they'll actually say connected. If they are sitting idle for a certain amount of time, they will actually power off, which is nice. One thing I did notice is that whenever I took them out of my ear and I left the room, my audiobook did continue to play. So I would just say be mindful if you're not going to put them back into the case. Actually make sure that you are disconnecting them if you don't want whatever media you are listening to keep on playing. Again, it was my first time with these, so I wasn't exactly sure how to put them on. I think there are a variety of ways that you can actually clip these on your ear. You're going to have to figure out the way that's most comfortable for you. What has ended up being the most natural feeling for me is to start with the back piece, which is going to be the fatter side right here. So here are what the two pieces look like. Whenever you go to put them in your ear, this little small piece, this is what's going to go into your ear. You can see the little speaker right there, the little gray. And then this is the side that's going to sit on the outside. So like I said, what I found is easiest for me is to actually start with the back and then get that where you want it, and then just kind of pop this in. The sound quality is really great. I wasn't sure what to expect. It's not the best sound quality I've ever had in a headphone, but the sound quality overall is great. And again, this is for music, for audiobooks, and for phone calls. So this is what the headphone looks like on my ear. I have played around with having the back part more up here. I played around with it having it more down here. For me, it's actually the most comfortable whenever I have it down kind of behind the lobe. That's where I find the tightest fit. But I think that's going to depend on your ear to figure out what fit is going to be best for you. I do find that whenever I have them up a little bit higher, they do tend to slide down very gradually anyway. So to me, it makes the most sense to wear it like this. And again, this is what it's going to look like in your ear. On the part that's going to be in the back of your ear, there is this tiny hole. It's kind of hard to even see in the video. There's a tiny hole here. I do wish this hole was a little bit bigger because this is basically what you need to press when you want to use the controls. So when you want to tap to play, to pause, to skip a song, to go back to a previous song, you're going to tap on this tiny hole. And one thing that was a little bit challenging for me was that hole is so small. And because of the way I was wearing them, it was kind of pressed up against my ear and it's kind of hard to get to the button. So that is something to keep in mind if you plan on using the controls a lot. But overall, I think these are really great headphones. They are a great option if you don't like just the buds, if you don't like over the ear, if you do have smaller ears. Overall, the quality is great. The sound quality is great. I actually think they look kind of cute and stylish. I like that they have this kind of different look to it. Like I said, great battery life, and overall, I recommend them.